Atomic Habits. Chapter 15. The Cardinal Rule of Behavior Change. The Power of Immediate Rewards. The story of Stephen Luby's work in Karachi, Pakistan, highlights the importance of immediate rewards in forming habits. People were aware that washing hands was essential for their health, but they weren't consistently making it a habit. By providing them with safeguard soap, which had a pleasant smell and lathered well, hand washing became a more enjoyable experience, leading to a significant decrease in illness and disease. The cardinal rule of behavior change states that what is immediately rewarded is repeated, and what is immediately punished is avoided. Immediate satisfaction plays a crucial role in reinforcing habits and making them stick. In a world where we are wired for instant gratification, it's essential to work with our nature, not against it, to build better habits. Immediate gratification and delayed rewards. Humans are wired for immediate gratification, a tendency that served our ancestors well in an immediate return environment. However, in the modern world, many of our actions have delayed rewards. Good habits often require sacrifice in the short term for long-term benefits. On the other hand, bad habits offer immediate rewards but lead to negative consequences in the future. Making habits satisfying. To build habits effectively, it's crucial to provide some immediate rewards or reinforcement. Early on, many good habits require sacrifice and may not feel enjoyable. Immediate rewards help make the habit more satisfying and reinforce its value, even before the long-term benefits become evident. For example, adding flavors to chewing gum made it more enjoyable, leading to its widespread adoption. Toothpaste manufacturers saw success when they made their products taste better, creating a positive sensory experience. Using immediate rewards for avoidance habits. Immediate rewards are especially helpful for habits of avoidance, where you want to stop doing something. Since not taking action feels unrewarding, you can turn avoidance into a visible habit. For instance, saving money for a specific goal whenever you resist a purchase reinforces the idea of saving rather than deprivation. Aligning rewards with identity. Short-term rewards should be aligned with your long-term goals and identity. If you're trying to save money, rewarding yourself with an item you want to buy conflicts with the goal. Instead, rewarding yourself with free time or a massage aligns with the idea of financial freedom and taking care of your body. Intrinsic rewards and identity. As habits become ingrained, intrinsic rewards like better mood, energy, and reduced stress become more significant. Ultimately, the habit becomes part of your identity, and you do it because it's who you are. At this stage, external incentives become less crucial in sustaining the habit. Immediate reinforcement and long-term rewards. Immediate reinforcement helps maintain motivation while waiting for the long-term rewards to manifest. By making habits enjoyable in the short term, you increase the likelihood of sticking with them until intrinsic rewards take over. In summary, immediate rewards play a vital role in forming and sustaining habits. By providing immediate satisfaction, you increase the chances of repeating a behavior and make it easier to build long-lasting habits.